You know, it's funny. Most sales reps I talk to don't really like their commission plans. It's actually one of the biggest reasons top performers start looking for a new job. While it might not seem like a huge issue on the surface, think about this. It takes on average 6 months to replace a solid top performing sales rep. That's half a year with a gap in your sales. Let's explore the typical challenges associated with sales commissions across various seniority levels within the sales department. Imagine a fast-growing software company with 100 of sales reps. We're going to meet 3 people there. Sarah, the top sales rep, her manager David, and Maria, the CEO of the company. First, let's talk about Sarah, the sales rep. She just spent 10 months landing a massive, complex deal, the biggest in her pipeline. But she closed it in the last week of Q4. Unfortunately, her compensation plan has weird rules about year-end accelerators and product multipliers, and she's not sure what paycheck she's going to receive from the deal. She's super anxious because that one deal would worth her a down payment for a house. She spent the days recalculating her own commission on the piece of paper, fearing that the payroll department will get that commission wrong and she won't receive the money she was hoping for. Definitely not very productive. Now, let's take a look at her manager, David. For David, the beginning of every month starts with calculating the commissions for his sales team. He'd stay in the office until 10 p.m., hunched over a massive spreadsheet with 100 tabs, one for each sales rep. He'd manually check commission calculations, trying to fix every error before payroll goes out. His reality is burnout. Finally, let's go to the top, the CEO of the company, Maria. Maria's team has launched a beautiful new product recently. But a quarter later, the sales are flat, because her commission plan still paid sales reps more for selling the old, easy-to-move, low-margin products. Her reality is frustration. This is quite a sad story, isn't it? But that's all happening behind the scenes in every second company in the world. Let's now take a look at how this story could look like if that company, that imaginary company, would invest it into a proper sales performance management tool like SAP Incentive Management. Let's go back to Sarah, the sales rep. She's a different person now. That huge deal she closed, the moment it was marked won in her CRM, she got a notification on her phone showing the exact payout calculated down to the cent. Her new reality is confidence. Now, before creating a proposal for a client, she can use the tool that is called What If tool on her dashboard that helps her to understand what she needs to put into the proposal to get the commission she wants. If we talk about David, the sales manager, now his new reality is leadership. Commissions are now fully automated. He can now spend the time he was managing commissions before on coaching his rep instead. Maria, the CEO, is ruling a completely different sales engine now. She can finally connect the decisions made in the boardroom directly to the actions her sales team makes every day. So, as you see, a sad story can become a success story if the right tools are in place. With sales incentive management, managers gain tools to track performance and reward real results. With Clarity, companies can implement SAP Incentive Management, and chances are this tool will help you and your teammates get closer to that new car, apartment, or vacation you've been dreaming of for the past couple of years.